All right, guys, just changed the oil again. Actually, when I first got it, I ended up putting some 530 in there, and then that was after I cleaned it all up. Put some 530 in there, and ended up changing it again. After I got the wires in, and put some straight 30 in there this time. So I think it was Rotella, something like that. But go ahead and give it a start up and see what you guys think. Sounds pretty good. For the most part, nice and smooth. No smoking or anything. And I got the carb set at 1 1/4 turns. Boomer said that from factory with that tab on there, the plastic tab that limits either way, it's set to 1 1/4. So I did that, and then I backed it off like just a smidge. I mean, it was maybe like a millimeter to where it's just a smidge lean, and there's no smoking at all. I mean, this is when I would see the smoke going in front of the headlights, and there's nothing now. So I'm pretty happy. Next will be fixing that leak in the upper transmission, which is just a seal on the motion lever shaft. So, all right, just wanted to share.